In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Advanced Features. Now you need to scroll again, this time to click on Dual Messenger. And tap on the gray switcher next to any app you wanna clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Install. If you want for your cloned app to have a separate contact list, click on this option here, on the left for now. Activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. And to select contacts available for your cloned app, hit Select Contacts here and tap on Add at the top right corner. Then tap on all of your contacts you wanna add and select Done at the bottom. To delete any of them, click on Delete right next to Add. Click on the ones you wanna get rid of and confirm your choice at the bottom right corner. If you decided you don't want to use separate contact list, you can always switch it off thanks to this switcher and clicking on OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. So when I go back to check my app, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same section in Settings and tap on the No Blue switcher. Then hit Uninstall and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!